Yeah, hello. I don't get much time, master. This is why the year I just want to warn you, President Muhammadu Buhari, or what do they call yourself? I dey hear this thing, but me, I don't know, I don't understand. I don't hear it. It's almost 2 days now. I reach work today. Same thing my guy tell me. My white man still tell me the same thing. Hello? You say be President Muhammadu Buhari, Abi? I hear you say you won't come Germany. You want to come and carry your citizen because of COVID-19, Corona. Listen, Papa. If not joke, may just stop him. If not joke, just stop him. You know, people say, I see they say you know the year what? You know they blind again. Okay, fine. You know, say to use glass. Very long time. You don't worry your brain again. Muhammadu Buhari, on what they call yourself. Who be your citizen? If they say, you know, remove that your glass. Make see clearly. If that one will make you see. Because USA, Germany don't go so country, go carry their citizen. Belgium don't come Germany, go carry their citizen. So because of COVID-19, Corona. Now you say you too, you want to come and carry your citizen for the Germany. Who be your citizen, Buhari? You get citizen for Germany? About Buhari? You get citizen? I beg, may just stop that nonsense talk where they talk. We won't hear, may no hear that one, no. You be your citizen. I they see me so now. Muhammadu Buhari, you see me my why resemble your citizen. You say you want to carry your citizen for Germany. You want to come and carry who? You want to come to Germany, come and carry your citizen. No try that nonsense, eh? Remember your Nigeria where they do citizen. People will be your citizen there. Where they die for COVID-19, Corona, COVID-19. What you don't do for them? If the way coronavirus attack Europe, if you attack Nigeria, you get hospital where go put them. You get? You go say you won't come. You won't come to Europe. Come carry your citizen then. Who be your citizen? Now you know say you get citizen for Europe. When the time with South Africa they kill Nigeria, why no go there go rescue your citizen that time? When South Africa they kill Nigeria that time for last year, Buhari or what did they call your name, Mr. President? You know carry plane there go rescue your citizen. You know how many Nigerian life lost in that South Africa? Instead for you to go to South Africa, maybe America, Canada, Australia, Japan, where you go. You want to come to Germany, come carry your citizen. Who be your citizen? When they want vote for you, when you want to do your campaign to be president, you come to Europe, come campaign for us as your citizen. So we complain. Someone write you, say for your citizen when they Europe, they die COVID-19. I better die COVID-19 for Germany than come die for Nigeria now. If COVID-19 catch me for Germany here, I get 90% to survive now. Come Nigeria, come do what it. People where COVID-19 you don't catch me in the hospital. What you don't do for them? You don't do anything for them. So, you believe they say you get citizens for Germany, for Europe, for Italy, for Belgium. Nigeria where they Italy, they better die COVID for Italy than to come Nigeria. Libya, you they watch live, you they watch, if you know they hear, maybe you're not deaf, you know they see. What of all this your committee, when they rule government together, or Shibanjo and Co. They see, they hear. They don't get anyone to tell you. People there in Libya, they cry. They cry for help. See, they won't come back. For cook your country where you come, where your citizen there. You know go there, go and rescue them. People where they Europe, they say one rescue. Worry, if not joke, make stop him. May stop him. You don't need a citizen. Wait. I beg. Me never share this video. Or shop promotion. This work now we need to do. You know. What they be that kind of nonsense talk? Something my wife might tell me today for work. You don't lock Nigeria, say me they stay. Fine. Me they stay. You don't provide waiting for them to stay. You say you want to carry your citizen for Nigeria. Even a plane stop him. You don't get citizen for here. I don't even know where this COVID-19, this corona, he no come the time when I want to do that election. That's the stupid election when they do for Nigeria there. Now that time will be paid back for Nigerian citizen. Because I see that time, you go to carry, politicians go to carry 1,000, million, 500. They go to share them for inside room. COVID when they don't come that time when I want to die in the election. Because they want to rescue your citizen for Europe. Your citizen when they die for Libya, you don't go rescue them. Your citizen when they kill for South Africa, you carry plane there, carry plane there, go rescue them. We don't want your rescue. We know something, nothing they do us. Look at us. We are fine. Europe, we are fine. COVID don't enter, COVID one night, you don't enter Nigeria there one night. Many people don't begin to die, they sick there. What you don't do for them? We don't want you. On behalf of your own Nigeria in Europe, I beg, may I help you share this video. May I share this video. You want to carry your citizen? Where your citizen there, Papa Buhari? We don't know you as a citizen. We don't know you. We don't know you. Which citizen work on? You guys live in Europe? Only ordinary Ghana there. Problem happen between Nigeria and Ghana. In Ghana, where they your nose here? You know go there, go rescue Nigeria for Ghana. You know go there, go rescue Nigeria. Nigeria they die from Morocco. Then they carry people like a snake. You know go there, go rescue. Libya they kill man every time there. People there inside lock. They lock them in and they beat them every day to call family to send them money. You not call them. You not go there, go rescue them. See the be attack happen for South Africa. You not go there, go rescue them. Now you say you want to call Europe. When if you hear say Germany and Italy come to a German, come carry their citizen. Croatia come Europe, go Belgium, go carry their citizen. Don't prepare for them for them. Nigeria prefer to die for Europe than to come back, call your country. Say you want come. It's our country, we know. But you know be our president. The president for I know my president. The German president, my president. May stop her if not joke. On behalf of the whole Nigeria in Europe, not only Europe, in diaspora, now they talk. We don't get nothing. Nothing don't do us. Nothing do us. I bet me to share it with the man, Richard. We can't talk that. If a joke, in a very, very expensive joke that about Buhari, stop her. We don't want you. You want to go rescue? Go South Africa. Go and rescue them in South Africa. Go to Libya. Go and rescue them in Libya. You want rescue us. You want to rescue carry your citizen for Europe. You get citizen for Europe. Where is it there for Europe? We don't want to see you. Remain that place. So you know citizen now. If COVID not there Europe, if COVID one enter Nigeria, if I don't run, go America. Because he catch you, they don't close up and not be fly. Now you say you want to carry us. You want to rescue us. We can't be with the suffer. Be careful, eh? I don't get much time for you. I beg anybody, help me send this video. May I reach that Abuja. 5 minutes. I get another thing to talk for COVID. 5 minutes time, I'm back to online. Please wait. I'm coming now.